Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we have did about the transitioning effect, right? So for example, if you see here, okay, if we try to see this one, if I'm doing, immediately this jerking is happening here. Okay, immediately the jerking is happening. If I try to add, so immediately it is going that side and it will be adding dynamically. So this one is the transition effect is not that much of smoother. Okay, what we have expected. So luckily what we have is in the transition group itself, we have one extra class that is nothing but the move class. Okay, so if you try to see top list hyphen do, yeah, the transition, see here, if you are trying to add here the same effect we are getting. So immediately it is coming this side. Okay, we are the elements are immediately pushing this side. So now here if you try to see shuffling thing, so here a shuffling thing, and also here if you try to see the transition is applying smoothly here. So smoothly it is going that it is going to right side, the elements all are going to right side, and smoothly it is getting inserted. And if I try to remove also, smoothly it is removing and the elements are smoothly coming to the right side, left side. So how we can do the transition? So we can do the transition using the move method. Okay, here you will be having a move class. So for the transition group, you need to know another thing is not only the elements which we are removing or which we are adding the transition, we need to add the transition to the remaining elements also. Why? Because these all elements, when we are adding, we are doing transition only to the adding or removing element. We are not doing any transition for the remaining elements. So we need to apply the transition for the remaining elements also. Luckily, what we have is in the Vue.js, we have a move v hyphen move class will be there. So in same like the enter from and enter to, what we can have is we can also have dot list hyphen move. Okay, we have dot list hyphen move here. So dot list hyphen move, what it will do is it will apply the transition for the remaining elements. So the inboundly internally Vue.js has the transition mechanism for the remaining elements. So just we need to apply the transition. So how much seconds we need to apply the transform thing, we need to mention. So now before mentioning this one, so now if you try to see here, if I remove the position absolute here, okay, now if you try to see, one second, let me open this list data again, list data, yeah. So now if I try to check the output here, so what it is happening, if you carefully observe, item is removing, then afterwards it is coming, item is removing, then afterwards it is coming. So then what we need to do, so if we apply this one as a position absolute, okay, all the elements as a position absolute, so then what it will happen here, if you try to see here, if I click here, or if I try to refresh this one, if I remove this one, sorry, one second, let me observe it again. Okay, oh sorry, enter hyphen active I have applied, so we need to apply it to the leave hyphen active when the items are leaving, right? So now if I apply this one, so now let's see what it will happen. Now if you try to see, if I click on remove item, see, automatically the items, you are not able to realize that in between this one, if I am trying to remove also, so immediately these are pushing this side. So instead of moving immediately to the shifting to the left side, if we apply a transition thing, so then it will be very nice. So how we can apply for the transition thing is, that is nothing but what we can do is dollar list hyphen move. So this is the class which will take care of this transition thing. So what we need to apply here, transition transform. Okay, what is the thing I need to apply, transform. So how many seconds you want, you can apply, and ease, so that all the elements the transition will apply equally. So now here if I try to see, if I try to refresh this one, okay, we will be having this one all remove. If I remove this one, see, you are able to see the transition applying smoothly. Okay, so this is the, if I try to add also, see, the transition is applying smoothly. So what we have did, so we have made these all items as position absolute, and also we have applied that position absolute thing. Instead of moving it immediately, please apply the transition for this one. So this is how we will be using this move hyphen class, will be very useful. So for example, if I want to shift this one to the vertically, means I can change from div to span to div, and we need to remove this display inline block. Why? Because the div is a block level element, so that it will be coming one by one down. So now here I have applied one by one down. Okay, now if I want to remove, see, how nicely it is removing C. So we have applied the transition here. Now if I try to add here, so like this it is going on applying. Okay, so this is how we will be using this transition group elements for this one. If I apply shuffle, see how it has been shuffling. So as I am making this all reverse, so that is the reason it is moving. So shuffling means if you have jumbling thing also, it will apply very nicely. Okay, so removing items will work in the same scenario. If you make it what I can say, horizontally also it will work, but you need to maintain display inline block. So these items should be either block level elements or the inline block level elements. It should not be inline elements. Okay, or otherwise you need to apply flex attribute also, you can apply if you want. Okay, vertically or horizontally we can apply the transition effect like this. Okay, so this is all about the transitions, so applying transitions for the list of elements. Okay, hope you understood this all the transition group and all those things. Okay, if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video, and if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.